Hello everybody, Swaminath here. Today we are going to see SAP module for BCom graduate. The best module, how can they select the module? BCom graduates, how can they select the module? So frequently I'm getting this query from many of the candidates that which module to select for BCom graduate. That is the reason I'm just uploading this video. What module is best suit for BCom graduate? Okay, now they can go for SAP FIC. Finance and control. They say finance and it is mostly deal with journal entry, account receivable, payable, and account setup, asset posting. Okay, now let's do journal posting in SAP system. Journal posting in SAP system. Let's go to F-02 transaction code. SAP works with transaction codes. For posting journal entry, you go to F-02. F-0. Press enter. Okay. Enter today's date. Let's enter today's date. Press enter. My company code is that small error is AK02 is my company. AK02 is my company. Okay. Enter date, document date, press enter. Okay. 40. Posting key 40 is debit entry. 40. See it. Posting key 40. Where there is a debit entry, there will be a credit entry. Okay. 40. See it. 40 is debit entry. Debit entry. Double click. Now a small journal posting I'm going to do. HDFC account number HDFC. It's an asset. See here, HDFC. 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 AK02. My company code is AK02. Enter today's date, not AK01. 1000 is bank account. 1000 is bank account. Okay. A simple transaction. Raj gives debt like loan for paying rent. Paying the rent. Rupees 5,000. Rupees 5,000. 5,000. How I'm going to post this? How I'm going to post this? Okay. Debit bank account. 100, 100 is bank account. 100 is bank account. HDFC. Debit HDFC account. Credit 5,000. Okay. Validate today's date. 18. Let me enter. Raj gives loan for paying rent. Rupees 5,000. So credit is 50. Credit is 50. 50. See here, credit. So where would you credit? Debt account. Let me enter. Select debt account. See here, debt account. Debt account. 200. 200. Debt account. Okay. Press enter. When you give star, amount you have entered in the previous screen will be displayed here. Okay. When you click enter plus amount text you have entered in the previous screen will be displayed here. Press enter. Okay. You don't have to do anything here. Just simulate and post. See here, HDFC account and lower debt account 5,000. Just post it. Save it. This is what FICO is all about. You don't need any coding language for this. All you need to know how system works in the background. Okay. Now, next, either they can go for FICO or SD or M. So in FICO journal entry, I've shown you. Accounts receivable is there. Accounts payable, that is accounts receivable is bills receivable or accounts receivable. Customer management. We receive amount from the customer. Okay. Whichever the product we are selling it, that is accounts receivable. Okay. Whichever the product we are buying, that is accounts payable. Okay. And asset posting. If you are selling any machinery or if you are selling any building, If you are selling any land, immovable properties or movable properties, then it comes under asset costing. These are all the four functionalities, four processes are available in FICO. Okay, you can take this FICO or you can go for SD, sales and distribution. Sales and distribution. It's predominantly into customer management. Customer management. Customer management. A sales and distribution, customer management. Customer management, that is order to cash. Order to cash. OTC cycle, they call it OTC cycle, wherein inquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery, and billing. It consists of inquiry. Inquiry is nothing but customer walks in, inquires, we put it in an SAP system. And quotation will be given to the customer, okay, based on the inquiry. And then we create a sales order and we do delivery. That is, sales order is nothing but order confirmation with the customer. Okay, and delivery and billing. And customer returns and many more business processes are available in SD. So you can either take FICO or SD, or you can take both FICO and SD. Okay, debit memo and credit memo. All these are all functionalities, basic functionalities of SAP SD. Okay, debit memo is the one we have to give the money back to the customer on the returns. Credit memo is, so that is credit memo. Debit memo is they have to give us back the money. In which scenario they have to give us back the material? We have sold the goods for lesser amount, so they have to give us back the material. That is debit. Okay, that is SD. Now let's go to SAP system and dual basics of SAP SD. BA01, order confirmation with the customer. Sales order. I'm going to create a sales order, delivery, and billing. Okay, OR, standard order. OR. Okay, G6. Okay, sales organization, distribution channel, and division is sales area. Okay, all the three is so-called sales area. Okay, now present. Let me enter sold to party. Okay, sold to party. So sales order. I'm going to create a sales order. Payment terms and Inco terms, international shipping terms. Inco terms is international shipping terms. How we are going to transport it to the customer. Payment terms is payment immediately or for 40 days, 2% with the 2% interest. Okay, that is payment terms. Or 1 month, 3% is 3% interest. Oh, that is payment terms. Okay, now let me enter the material. Let me enter the material. 25374. It's my material. Quantity 1. See, Rolex watch is the material going to be purchased by the customer. DF Industries. DF Industries. See here, sold to buy. Now doubling onto this line item. Go to shipping. See, net weight is 1 kg, gross weight is 1 kg. Okay, plant is GL01, storage shipping point is 001, and GL01 is the storage location. Let's enter and save. Now let me do delivery. See, so order confirmation 5830 is the sales order. Slash BL01 here. Let me enter shipping point GL01 present. 5830 is the order. Go to picking. Picking is mandatory. 1. Picked. Quantity picked. Post goods issue. I'm going to issue to the customer. Issue the material to the customer. Now go to BF01 for customer billing. I'm going to bill the customer. 5,000 USD. 5,000 USD is the customer bill. Oh, save it. You don't have to do anything here. Just save it. Control S save. This is SD. You can, BCom graduates can take SD also. Either they can go for FICO or SD, or finally MM. They can go for material management. This is inventory management. Material management is inventory management. Process of material management, vendor management. Procure to pay cycle, this is inventory management. MM. Inventory management. MM. MM. Inventory management. Vendor management, that is procure to pay cycle. Okay, it is based out of request for purchase organization, purchase requisition. What is purchase requisition? Is the basic document. Okay, based on the purchase requisition, we create request for quotation. We request the quotation with the vendor, and the vendor in turn sends the quotation, and we put it in the SAP system. Now we create purchase order, delivery, that is goods receipt and billing. That is P2P side, inventory management. Inbound delivery, it is predominantly into inbound delivery. And finally, subcontract. These are all basics of MM. You BCom graduate, they can take MM also. Now we can see basics of MM also. Okay. Let me create a purchase requisition. ME51N. ME51N. I'm going to create a purchase requisition. Okay. Item overview. 30715 is my material. Quantity 10 quantity. Plant is GL01. Storage location is also GL01. Press enter. P7. The material number is wrong. 6414 is my material. 6414 is my material. Okay. 001 is my purchasing row. Press enter and save. Control S save. Purchase requisition is mother of all document. It's a reference document for purchasing a material. Okay. Now this is my purchase PR. Purchase requisition 1764 1000 1768. Let's go to now. Based on this, I'm going to create purchase order /ME21N. Purchase order. Document overview on. Purchase order is order confirmation with the vendor. Sales order is order confirmation with the customer. So both are opposite. Okay. Now select purchase requisition. My purchase requisition. Let's select my purchase. Select my purchase requisition. Last one. Select and adapt. Go to adapt. Let me enter the vendor 30715. Press enter. Enter purchase authorization GL01. Now enter storage location also here. Already storage location has been entered. Now save it. Select onto this purchase order. Close this. Migo /and MIG. Vendor is sending the material. I'm going to post it in SAP system. MIGO. MIG transaction code. I'm going to post it in SAP system based on the purchase order. Auto confirmation with the vendor. Press enter. Click onto this non-order item. Item OK and post. Okay. I have just posted it. This is inventory management. Go to /and MIR. Vendor is giving you the invoice. I'm going to post it in SAP system. MIR. Enter today's date. Select BN B1 tax. Calculate tax. Enter purchase order number here. Press enter. See, this is the purchase order. 38384 000. This is the amount, purchase order value. This is the amount. I'm going to post it here. Press enter. Select baseline date, upon which we have to pay the vendor. Vendor's accounts payable. And save it. Yes, save it. So this is the basics of FICO, SD, and MM. So you can select any of the three. Okay. And moreover, the main thing is, during the training, you go for S4HANA, latest one is S4HANA. S4HANA. Okay, not in ECC. People are taking, giving training in ECC, Enterprise Central Command. It is outdated. Okay, this is latest. Okay, not in ECC, only in S4HANA. Okay, because for the cost saving purpose, they will take it in ECC. It's an older version. Anybody can take it. But in S4HANA, is the latest version. Go for S4HANA. Ask for S4HANA. Okay. BCom graduates, they can go for FICO, SD, or MM. Thank you.